Hi everyone, I'm Jamill Rosario speaking to you from Zurich, Switzerland. So today we're going to be discussing some of the challenges that non-digitally native organizations have regarding their digital transformations. But before that, follow me on LinkedIn so you can see a little bit of my profile and some of the articles I've written in the past also about data and analytics. So let's begin. According to Harvard Business Review, there are three strategic components in building a great company. First is product leadership, which aims to build a culture that continuously brings superior products to the market. Here, product leaders achieve premium market prices thanks to the experience they create for their customers. Then we have customer centricity, which can only arrive through aligning the product development, manufacturing, administrative functions, and executive focus around the needs of an individual customer. Customer-centric companies tend to have a decentralized organization which allows them to learn and change quickly according to customers' needs. Last but not the least is operational excellence. Here, the main focus is to automate manufacturing processes and work procedures in order to streamline operations and reduce cost. It's about high volume and standardized production that has little need for differentiation. That's well and great. However, the digital revolution has brought about huge opportunities to the three pillars in terms of mass personalization, reach, and transparency. That means more customers, more sales, less cost, high market share, better brand. However, going digital is not as simple as creating a website to sell your products. Being truly digital involves a holistic, omni-channel transformation of all the three pillars, which most non-digital native companies have a hard time grasping. Some of the top digital transformation challenges include lack of executive sponsorship. Digital transformation, or any kind of transformation for that matter, is a complex and expensive process, which requires immense focus and resources from any company. The executive team must provide full sponsorship and support to guide the organization through this challenging journey. Insufficient digital skills and capabilities. Digital transformation involves new ways of working and thinking enabled by new technologies. New digital skills and mindset are required to realize the transformation. Failure to upskill or reskill the employee workforce may slow down or hinder the digital transformation. Employee pushback. Cultural change impact of transformations is often underestimated. However, history has taught us that technology and tools are easier to change than people's habits. This is especially hard when organizations have a long history of success, and suddenly the digital era has introduced new competitors never before imagined, and people suddenly need to adapt to a new business reality. There should be a huge focus on change management, which is the people side of change. Change sponsors and agents must work together and hold the organizations by the hand through this challenging journey. Poor data analytics. As I mentioned earlier, transparency is one of the benefits of going digital, and this is enabled by data analytics. I'm going to focus on data analytics since first, it's close to my heart, and it's my job after all. But first, I need to speak about data governance because it's the sustainable foundation for analytics or the future of analytics. Without clean and usable data, it is hard to realize the transformative power of analytics because analytics depends on data. A large number of data analytics projects fail during data collection and cleaning. Data governance is a business responsibility enabled by IT. Business data stewards are important roles today and should be prioritized by companies who want to go digital. My 2 cents? Start with a small data governance project with specific use cases. Get proper sponsorship and scale up. The road is long, but trust me, it's worth it. Now let's go to analytics. Analytics provides transparency and insights on the digital transformation journey. With poor or non-existent analytics, we are embarking on the digital journey with eyes closed. Organizations need analytics to steer themselves in the right direction. My 2 cents? Data analytics should always be part of any business project. Transparency is very important to any business initiative. Now, unfortunately, even if data governance is already there, analytics will still fail if it is not actionable or it doesn't answer the business question. Imagine looking at a dashboard full of information, but none of it answers your question or enables you to do your work. Quite irrelevant, right? Analytics work is 70% business and 30% IT, and most people don't know that. Most of it is about understanding the business context or problem, defining the metrics, identifying and cleaning the data required. Analytics is not an independent discipline, but rather intertwined with business processes. Analytics should be actionable and directly support business decisions for it to be relevant and for it to be used by the business. My 2 cents? Start with identifying the business question, then build the analytics to directly answer them. A lot of people focus on technology and tools when it comes to data analytics. Stop. Tools enable you to do the analytics, but they don't answer the business question. Don't fall in love with the tool, fall in love with the business problem. My 2 cents? Learn how to use a tool, master how to solve business problems. The data analytics value is not fully realized if the metrics and key performance indicators are not aligned and understood across the organization. Imagine getting stuck in traffic and looking at a blue traffic light. You're right. You don't really know what it means, and you don't know how to process the information. That's basically the same thing. Analytics at some point should be connected to organizational and employee performance management. Data doesn't lie, and it is the most precise way to assess business performance. Use analytics for what it's for. My 2 cents? Before designing any analytics solution, define your business performance metrics first and align them with the people who use them for business decisions. Putting it all together, I have 4 pieces of advice for you. Understand how data can innovate your space in the organization. Experiment with data. Speak about it to the people around you. Let data enable you to make better decisions. So that's all for now. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye, everybody.